So this is my favorite iron. It's called the Sutra styling wand. You can use it with one hand. It's dual voltage, quick and easy to use, and I will show you exactly how it works. Next, this is the NYX Stenson Duo Fiber Brush. So there's boar bristle and nylon bristles. So it brushes your hair really well, but it also adds a lot of shine because of the boar bristle. Next, I have Seven's dry shampoo. This is the best dry shampoo and it smells delicious, so this is a must-have. And then I have my Samvia comb, 2 clips. Okay, so first part, you're gonna section your hair. My hair is already half up, half down. I wear my hair like this a lot because it gives me more body if I have it half up, half down. If it's all the way down, then I just feel like throughout the day my hair feels dragged down. So with this half up, half down look, I take my first clip, I just section that out of the way. Split my hair in 2, so there's hair on the right and left. I have extensions, so my hair is about this long naturally. And once I get enough body in my hair, I don't even have to worry about my natural hair showing. So it's split evenly down the back, and now I'm gonna separate this section into 2. Anything on the left side of my face is gonna go away from my face. Anything on the right is gonna go away from my face. So you're gonna take this iron. There's 2 plates, they don't open up, but it's real easy. You hold the iron straight up and down. Slide about this much hair in and just twist. And the slower you go, the curlier the hair is gonna be. The faster you go, the more beachy it'll be. Here's my first section. And if you have any tangles, just comb them out as you go. Slide the hair in, twist away from my face, and just slowly slide down the hair. You can feel the tension, which lets you know you're getting good curls. And then this is the last section for this side. Plate straight up and down. I'm twisting back away from my face, slowly going down. If you go too fast, it's not gonna hold. So you don't wanna rush it, but don't take too long because you have to be careful with your hair. So that side's done. You're gonna let it completely cool and then you'll go ahead and brush it out for softer waves. All right, you guys, so I finished curling my hair, and now at this point I just make sure that the back is curled and that the top part has enough curls, and checking the sides, making sure everything is blended. You can stick your fingers inside, half up, half down, and just pull this a little bit looser. You can also just pinch and pull to get a little bit more volume. And I'm going to spray with my 7 dry shampoo. Make sure you focus on the roots, so when you use the small teeth of the comb in your back combing, you can get more volume. But I like to put it all over on the rest of my hair too, to make sure that my hair is swells. And since I have fine hair, I just like it to be a little bit bigger because there's more impact with the style. And then once the dry shampoo is on, I use my brush and I just comb all the product through and soften up the curls so nothing's too tight. And that's my final look.